going to be making this cute little whole Cornish hen. He's adorable. For the seasonings, I'm going to use the Perfect for Chicken rotisserie style seasoning. I probably will not use the lemon pepper or poultry seasoning because that's just going to add way too much salt. This actually might be enough in itself. On the inside, because you want more flavor, not more salt. Salt just enhances the flavor. It's not a flavor. So on the inside, I'm going to cut a piece of onion, add these colorful bell peppers, smash some garlic, and stuff the hen with that. And rub it down with olive oil, add the seasoning, and that's it. Simple, easy peasy. Then we're going to throw it in the air fryer and let's see how this comes out together. This is my first time doing it, but seems like a no-brainer to me. Let's see how big girl comes out. Really, she's a little girl, but you get my drift. So now I'm going to rinse it off really well, and then I'm going to put it in some cool water, not cold, but you know, a little cooler than room temperature. So once I fill that bowl up, usually right above the chicken is good, then I'm going to add in some apple cider vinegar and some lemon juice because it helps kind of break down the excess fat and stuff on there, and it gives it a squeaky clean feeling. So I like my bird clean, and it kind of takes that wild taste out of chicken sometimes. So when you heat it up as leftovers, you don't really taste that second day old chicken. So clean it properly. So here I have the Instant Pot air fryer lid. Right now I just have it sitting on its base, and I'm going to add it inside of the Instant Pot in that rack, or what do you call this thing? Whatever that thing is called. Can't think of it right this second. And it's a separate attachment that goes to the Instant Pot, and I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my seasoned Cornish hen. I'm gonna use these here tongs. Oh, I can pick him up. He knows he's about to be done with life. So I'm gonna use my tongs. I'm gonna go ahead and add him inside, and I'll go ahead and pour the remainder of the seasoning on top of him. Sorry it's so dark. I don't know why the camera looks so dark. All right. Next, I'm going to go ahead and apply the Instant Pot lid. That means it's attached. Woohoo! And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you here because I have to kind of hold the camera a little for you. So I'm gonna click air fry, and I want to do this for, I'll start off with 30 minutes. And I'm gonna lower the temperature actually to 375. We don't want it to burn before it cooks. Then I'm gonna go ahead and hit start. Okay, so it's at the 15-minute mark. That means it's time to check on it. I'm so scared to look at this because if it comes out horrible, y'all, it's a snowstorm outside right now. And yeah, I'm not going out to get nothing else. I'm going to go ahead. Oh, she doesn't look half bad. I know she's not fully cooked yet, but it doesn't look half bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip this over. So you can get some evenness going on here. And resume the process. Okay, so the 30 minutes is up. It's on impulse. I'm gonna go ahead. Let's take a look at her. Oh, she is looking mighty wonderful. Look at that. Can you see it? Anyway, I'm gonna flip her again, but first I'm gonna use my misto. I'm gonna pump it. I put olive oil in here, and I'm just gonna spray her. And then I'm gonna flip her one more time. Oh, poor baby, you're just going through it, aren't you? She's looking fantastic. I'm gonna spray this side as well. Keep her all moisturized with olive oil. Then I'm going to air fry again, but this time I'm going to raise the temperature to 400. Okay, I'm gonna start over. Air fry, raise the temperature to 400, and then I'm going to lower the time to 10 minutes. I'll check it in between, but I'll just do 10 minutes. And this is to crisp the skin, and I want to make sure she is fully cooked. Alright, so I think she is ready. Here's the big reveal. Wow, she looks fantastic. I'm gonna go ahead and take her out and place her in. Oh, she looks amazing. I'm gonna place her in here. So there she goes. She looks amazing. She has amazing color. The veggies inside are all cooked. So I'm gonna let her rest because you always let your meat rest after. Oh boy, I'm gonna have fun cleaning this. But luckily, I have that Dawn Power Wash. This should do the trick.